Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool jelly bead, jelly marble, water bead, whatever you want to call them, nightlight, snow globe. And so what we're going to do is take our snow globe, we're going to put all our water beads in here. They're like so much fun to play with. And they're so slippery and slimy. They're really hard to contain in just one spot unless you trap them. And they're so bouncy. I love them. Alright, once you've done that, I'll put them in here so we'll hold it up, right? You're going to take this waterproof light, you'll twist it on, stick it inside here, push it in a little bit so everything gets illuminated. Screw this back on. And boom, you got an Orbee's nightlight.
This is with the lights off. They're